This channel has gained 13 million subscribers just by creating these simple Stickman videos. Almost every upload gets hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. This video has over 254 million views, this one has 144 million, and this one has 141 million. These Stickman videos are trending everywhere right now. Now take a look at this video that I created in just a few minutes using a single AI tool.
One morning, the sun suddenly disappeared, and people thought the world was ending. In the year 536, a mysterious dust cloud blocked sunlight for months. Crops failed. Temperatures dropped. Even today, scientists are still debating exactly what caused this strange...
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create Stickman videos like this completely free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you'll need the master prompt to create these Stickman videos. You'll find the master prompt link in the description. Simply copy it and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and press enter. ChatGPT will show you 10 different Stickman video categories. For this tutorial, I'm choosing category number 6, History. Just type 6 and press enter. Next, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique history video ideas. Choose the one you like. For this tutorial, I'm selecting idea number 2. Simply type 2 and press enter. Now ChatGPT will ask for the video duration. I'm choosing 20 seconds, so simply type 20 seconds and press enter. Next, ChatGPT will generate a viral title, which you can use for your video if you want. After that, you'll get the voiceover script. Below that, you'll see 2 scenes, and each scene includes an image prompt and a video prompt. First, copy the Scene 1 image prompt and go to Google Flow AI. Before generating the image, we'll need a character. You'll find this Stickman character sheet at the very bottom of the master prompt. Import the character sheet into Flow AI. Click Add to Prompt. Paste the Scene 1 image prompt. Select these image generation settings and press enter. Once the first image is ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 2 image prompt. Go back to Flow AI, add the first image to the prompt, paste the Scene 2 image prompt, and press enter. Now both images are ready. Next, copy the Scene 1 video prompt and go to Flow AI. Add the first image to the prompt, paste the Scene 1 video prompt. Select these recommended settings, keep the duration at 10 seconds, and press enter. Now do the same for Scene 2. Add the second image to the prompt, paste the Scene 2 video prompt, and press enter. After a short wait, both videos will be ready. Simply download them. After downloading the videos, it's time to generate the voiceover. For this, I'm using 11 Labs. Go to the Voices section, then click on Narration. You'll find plenty of voices to choose from. For this tutorial, I'm using this one. Simply click Use Voice. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the voiceover script, paste it here, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Simply download it. After a little editing, here's the final result.
A 9-year-old became king, and everyone underestimated him. Most adults thought they could control him, but he surprised the entire kingdom. He learned fast, made bold decisions, and proved that age doesn't always decide greatness.
And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.